Good morning, students. Welcome to our science lesson today. Let's go to our lesson. Before we begin the lesson, we are just playing a small game here, Plant Scrabble. You have to create a plant word, a word related to plants, by using the available letters over here. Okay? And after you write it down, you can add the scores by looking at the numbers given on the alphabets. Like, for example, let's say I'm writing the word food, FOOD. So F is 4, O and O 1, 1 each, and D is 2. So when I add the score, I get 8. So you can do that. You have exactly 1 minute, and your time starts now. You have 22, 21 seconds left. I hope you have already figured out a word from these letters. So here goes the countdown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and finish. So I hope you made the word already, and you can count and try to add up to see your score. Okay, so let's move. Today's lesson is parts of the plant. So today, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to name the main parts of a plant and describe the functions or the jobs of different parts of the plant.
Plant part.
Now, by looking at the picture, can you try and guess what are the different parts of the plant? Okay, I'll ask you, what is this? Yes, this is leaves. What about this? The yellow one here. Yes, these are flowers. What about this? It is stem. And what about this? These are the roots. And here you have the fruits. Yes. So now can you name the main parts of the plant? Yes, we had roots, stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Now here you're going to try and guess the plant parts we eat. We know that you eat all different types of plants, right? I mean parts. So what plant is this? What do you think this plant is? Yes, now you get it, right? It's broccoli, and we are eating the flower of this plant. Now, what plant is this? Any idea? Can you see the down part? Yes, it is carrot. And we are eating the roots. Yes, because it's under the soil, so it's the roots. Now, what plant is this one? Yes, it's corn. And we are eating the seeds. Now, what plant is this? Any idea? It's actually celery. And we are eating the stem of it. Now, what plant is this? Have you seen this? It is spinach. And what are we eating? The leaves. So, what other parts do you think? What other plants do we eat actually? Yes, we are eating the we are eating actually the stem, the leaves, the roots, the flowers, the fruits, all of the parts we are eating, right? Now, different parts of the plant have their own functions. Function means the jobs. Each of them have their own jobs to do. What does stem do? Stem is strong and helps to hold the plant, so that it will not fall down. It allows the water and nutrients flow up to the leaves. So this is the duty of the stem. It holds the plant in place and also it helps the water and nutrients to go up to the leaves. Now, what are the duty of leaves? Leaves collect sunlight and make food for the plant. And every plant have different kinds of, you can see a variety of leaves for different kinds of plants. Now, what does a flower do? Flower is actually a part of a plant that makes seeds and fruits. They are colorful and easily attract hummingbirds and bees. And it turns into fruits. Now, what is the job of the root? The root absorbs water and minerals from the soil and hold the plant so it does not fall over. So roots hold, the plant, hold firmly to the soil and hold the plant, and it pulls the water and soil and pass it to the stem. And we already saw that the stem takes it over to the leaves. And what did the leaf do? It collected the sunlight and made food, right? And then we saw the flower, which makes seeds and fruit. Now, what does the fruit do? Fruits actually, it protects seeds. We know that fruit gives us, it's like food for us. But actually, the duty or the job of fruit is to protect the seeds, because we know seeds help the, make new plants. So they help plants spread seeds out because animals transport and discard seeds when they eat fruit. Like when we pluck a fruit, we eat the fruit, but we don't eat the seeds, we just throw it. So we are helping the plant by taking the seed to another place and throw it in the ground. So actually, the seed can form a new plant, right? A new plant can come out from the seed. So the duty of the fruit is to protect the seeds. So now we have learned the job of all the different parts. Now let's make a plant parts foldable, or parts of a plant, where I have attached a PDF, so you will print it, cut it out, and fold it in the middle. You can see the picture here. You can color it, and you can, uh, write the names, the parts of the plant, but you will cut just like the picture shown here. You will cut on the flower, the leaf, the stem, the root. You will open, and inside you will write the name of the part and also the function. For example, the first part is flower. You will open and you will write inside flower, and you will write its duty. What is its duty? Which makes the seeds and fruits. Then the next part is leaf. You will open, you will write inside leaf, and you will write the duty that it collects sunlight and makes food, right? So here you will need scissors, glue, and colors, because you will color it. You will use scissors to cut them, and then you will use glue to paste them into your notebook. And with that, we come to the end of today's lesson. So today we learned the parts of the plant and its jobs. What were the parts of the plant? Yes, we had roots. If you start from the bottom, you have roots, stem, leaves, flowers. You have fruits also, because flowers change into fruits. Now, what's the duty of the roots? It holds the plant firmly in the soil, and it passes, it collects the water and minerals and nutrients needed for the soil, for the plant. And the next part of the stem, it carries the water and minerals to the leaf, and it holds the plant upright. It's not falling down, right? Then you have the leaves. Leaves collect the sunlight and makes its own food. And then we have the flowers, right, which will turn into fruits and will protect the seeds, right? So that was our lesson. I hope you understood really well. Thank you. Have a nice day.